Hi, welcome to Hickoks.
Okay, here goes nothing. Honest reviews. You're about to hear how much we either really love, well, I'm pretty sure we're gonna love it because it smells amazing. On a scale between 9 and 10, I'm gonna give this fry 10.
What's in the sauce?
Okay, it's time to dive in on the sandwich. Oh, there's bacon in mine.
I've had a lot of chicken strips in my day. And I'm not even, like, we're making this video, but I'm not even being biased. Those are the best chicken strips that I've ever eaten in my life.
Yeah.
So how's your better than bacon? How's that?
He lives up to it.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
And you got the
I'm still gonna eat it.
Hickoks sandwich? Is that what it is?
I've got a full mouth.
I timed that perfectly.
Yes, I did get the beer rock sandwich. Two things I have to say about it. One, I don't like beer rocks. So I thought I'm gonna be a tough judge on this.
I knew it.
I don't. However, this is delightful. Here's what sets it off. Homemade bread. Homemade bread is amazing. Yours is homemade bread also.
Mm-hmm.
Also amazing.
And you can tell it when you bite into it.
Yeah. Look at that bad boy. Holy moly, they get bigger.
Good stuff.
Hickoks today. I am stuffed.
Good.
Definitely should have worn stretchy pants today. I always remember as an adult, wear stretchy pants because you can eat more that way. Time management is a big thing, and as you can see, based on our timer today, Hickoks is where it's at. We drove up here, we got our food super fast and unbelievable. I think that Deanna and Steven would agree that was the best lunch that I have had in the year of 2018. As far as your lunch menu goes, what are we looking at for a price point?
So you're going to be right around $8.99 with the fries and the drink.
Best sandwich this side of Vine Street,
Right.
bottomless fries and a drink for $8.99.
So there will be one sandwich we didn't talk about. It will be our Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
Oh.
It'll be a little more expensive. That'll be the highest price at $9.99.
There's a rumor going around that there are some changes to the dinner menu also.
So with our new menu, we're working on getting out on the pricing. We will meet or beat every steak price in town. And also this menu will debut our 20-ounce sirloin. And we want that to be the steak of Hickoks. And we're going to sell that for $22.99.
Well guys, like we said, this lunch menu is unbelievable. Here at the Daily Download, we're going to try something completely new. We are coming to lunch at Hickoks, and we want all of you to join us. January the 14th, make sure to mark if you are coming or not. We're going to do a live party at Hickoks, and we're going to pack the place. We're going to have fun.
Good.
January 14th, make sure to mark below if you are coming. Join our event.